Protesters gathered here on the steps of the West Palm Beach Police Department. They say real change requires them to be at the table of discussion, but not everyone here today believes that to be true.
It's over now. This was a peaceful protest. You're trying to agitate it. You can leave.
Police in West Palm Beach having to escort a group of people away from Saturday's peaceful protest.
Maddie, let's go.
This man never killed nobody. This man never killed nobody.
We had an agitator come and, try to stop what was going on here.
Frankie Pierre-Paul says the group that disrupted does not approve of working with police to make change.
That's a whole different type of perspective. Our perspective is different. In order to make change, you have to meet in the middle.
After the confrontation, protesters marched to Flagler Drive and then down Okeechobee Boulevard.
If I can't breathe, you can't breathe.
Krista Martinelli says hearing George Floyd call out for his mother motivated her to get involved in the Black Lives Matter movement.
But as a mother myself, I was beyond words. I was devastated.
And that she has been confronting racism in her own community.
And I've lost about 10 friends in 2 weeks, which is sad.
We're carrying the torch right now, and we're not going to let that torch burn out. Whether we do it every day, whether we do it every week, every month, we don't want that torch to burn out because we have brothers and sisters looking at us, and we did not want our ancestors to have died in vain.
Aside from the confrontation at the beginning of today's march, everything remained peaceful throughout the duration of the protest. Reporting in West Palm Beach, I'm Derek Lowe, WPTV News Channel 5.